Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It is new product release day here with Savory Butcher, and I have got a good one. Beef tenderloins. The exact same ones that you get in the Savory Butcher chop box. Well, now you have the option to get a 10-pound box of your own if you're just a tenderloin person. But look at these beauties right here. These are 8-ounce, well-marbled, beautiful, gorgeous, tender beef tenderloins. And you get all of these when you order them by clicking the link below. But there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There are 20 beef tenderloins here, you guys. 28-ounce tenderloins. If you're just a tenderloin person, you can click the link below now and order them for far less than you'd pay in a regular grocery store for a way better quality cut. You can also see a link down below where I show you my secret cooking recipe for tenderloins, how I like to do it at home. But I'm excited about this. If you can't tell, we're gonna see you on the road. Make sure you get yours today, and I'll talk to you later.